Bringing you fresh news updates from NaijaNews TV. First Lady Remi Tinubu on Wednesday stopped a convoy to greet hundreds of school children who had rushed out of their school premises to cheer her. In a statement and pictures shared on X, formerly known as Twitter, on Wednesday, Tinubu's special assistant on media, Busola Kukoyi, noted that the spontaneous moment occurred during Tinubu's visit to Kwara, where she was in the state for several official engagements. Kukoyi stated that Tinubu was touched by the children's enthusiasm and chose to step out of her vehicle, disregarding security protocols to interact with them. The statement partly read, "The highlight of the day would be the spontaneous stoppage of the First Lady and her entourage to join hundreds of school children who had rushed out of their school premises to sing and cheer. Her Excellency saw the kids and literally said, 'Leave security protocol for now.'" After the First Lady cited the children, she highlighted from her vehicle where she admonished the excited children to face their studies. The statement revealed that Tinubu is in the States to launch the distribution of professional kits to midwife under the Renewed Hope agenda. Commission two newly constructed flyovers in Ilorin, the General Babatunde Idiagbo flyover, Tanke, and the Dr. Ibrahim Zulugambari flyover. The First Lady was also said to have laid the foundation stone for Remi Tinubu Hospital, a newly healthcare facility aimed at improving medical services in the region. We'll continue to supply you more fresh news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.